guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to have a lot of fun. I'm up here at Car Cave. They've got a lot of new vehicles up here, but there's one in particular that I definitely want to show you, so we're going to check that out. I have a lot of news going on in this one, so stay tuned. Okay, before we get to the cars, I did want to give a shout out to Super Clean. They've been with the channel for many years now, but they have decided to give away more of their product. So today I'm going to be showing you some of their all-wheel purpose cleaner, which is great for cleaning any of your vehicle's wheels, but they have a lot of different varieties. As you can tell, that they've got all-purpose cleaners for everything that you need. And if you leave a comment below, we'll pick one of you to get a care package from Super Clean themselves. So all you have to do, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and you'll get some free product. So the first thing I have to do is talk about some of the Defenders that they have. Now, Car Cave is well known for all of the Defenders and imports that they can get in. If they don't have the one that is right for you, obviously they can get whatever you are looking for, but here is probably one of the largest selections of Defenders that you can get. Anyway, there is one out here that I want to show to you because I absolutely love it. So directly behind me is an '89 Defender, and from the color of the truck to the color of the interior, this is my absolute dream Defender. Take a look at this and how well everything is done on it. Now, this is a fully restored one, and you can just see how much work has gone into this. Now, if you're saying to yourself, Defenders aren't quite your cup of tea, they've got a little bit of everything here. Now, I'm going to show you one of my favorite 3000 GT. It's a VR4. It is absolutely gorgeous, but directly behind me, we've got a little bit of the modern. We've got a C8 Corvette. We've got a C369 Corvette that is absolutely gorgeous, and a Resto Mod truck that is done to the nine. So they've got a little bit of everything here, and if you're interested, by all means, in the description below, I'll leave all the contact information for Car Cave. I don't know about you guys, but the C3 Corvette is absolutely my favorite body style. This is a completely restored 69 that is absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is one of the owner's cars, so this one is not for sale, but this car in my garage, in my collection, would be absolutely phenomenal. In fact, I am looking for a C3 Corvette currently. The prices in the market on these has not appreciated as much as I think that they should. So this is a car that I think that everyone should keep in mind. Now, I am looking for the worst C3, where this is one of the best C3s. So I would like a 1980 to an 83. I know it's the body style that I love. The engine is complete crap. Anyway, this one is everything but crap. Everything has been restored. Nut bolt restoration on this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I mentioned before, they've got just about everything from a BMW hatch, you got the shooting brake, can't beat that, to one of my favorite cars ever designed, the 3000 GT. This one's the VR4, so it's got all the active aero and all of the really cool tech that was ahead of its time that now every car, and especially every supercar, has. But this was a normal production car that you could actually go out and buy. It had a front spoiler that would go down, back spoilers that would go up, and even the rear wheels would turn to help you grip the road. It's amazing all of the tech that goes into these cars. I will tell you though, I would never want to work on one of these. It's like spaghetti underneath the hood, but such a cool car. You just don't get to see these as much as you used to, and it's one of those that I think is going to be a true future collectible. You can never go wrong with the Defender, especially when they have surfboards on the top. You know you're in for a good time. And that's what this was created for, to go out, enjoy the sun, go on the sand, have a little fun, and not get stuck. And that's what these things do so well. Well, other than, you know, break down all the time. All right, guys, so this is the real reason that I came down. This is allegedly Lil Wayne's PT Cruiser limo. Now, I absolutely love this thing. It is one of those that you would never expect, but so much fun. All right, they gave me the keys. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, guys, so I don't know if you think this is as cool as I think this is, but basically this is a PT Cruiser limo. That's right, I've got champagne glasses. I've got one of those cool little things you can touch up here, up there. There's lights in the ceiling, there's lights in the floor, there's lasers in the back, but that's only for LASIK. This is so fun. Now, Chris goes down to Amelia Island each year. I missed it this year, and this is what they took. This would be the best way to go down there. Now, you've got to remember, you've got people driving around in Bugattis, and there are $1 million cars just lining the streets. This is the type thing that when you take down there, makes a statement, is so much fun. You also don't have to worry if it gets a scratch put on it. You know, this is the fun time. Plus, could you imagine this filled with people cruising down there looking at all of the cars? This is absolutely awesome. Now, according to the internet, and this is allegedly, this might have been Lil Wayne's PT Cruiser limo. So currently I am sharing the prestige and honor that Lil Wayne had of chilling in the back of his limo. This is one of those cars that I would never want to drive. I always want to be driven in it. It's so much fun back here. You got bottles. I could put, there's some Jello shots in there. I mean, there's stuff all around. You just keep playing and see what you, okay, that's a dead hooker, but that's all right. This is just so much fun in here. I've got a DVD system in the back here. I've got stereo system, full bar setup. I don't know how you could get better than this. If you don't like the PT Cruiser limo, you're crazy. This is what driving is all about. You can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people in the back. Maybe more. I'm not saying that you should, but this is the way to go. All right, guys, hopefully you had as much fun as I did. That limo is amazing. Allegedly owned by Lil Wayne, so you can't get much better than that. I will tell you that Car Cave has just about every type of vehicle that you can want, and if they don't have it, they can get it. Anyway, like, subscribe, share. We'll catch you next time.